Welcome to our tutorial on how to set up budgets in the hospitality business in Docyt. Let's get started. First, sign into your Docyt account. Select Business Reports and click Budget and Forecast. Click the blue plus button. Add your budget name and click Continue. Fill in the values for each line item and specify the month. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click on the blue Save button. To compare the budget with a report in Docyt, simply access the report. Click on the Customize button and choose the option for Budgets Comparison. This will allow you to easily view and analyze how your budget aligns with your report in Docyt. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to set up budgets in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our Out of Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.